Now that we have the two sides and the two shelves of our nightstand made, the next task we're going to take on in our drafting is to create the two top frames. You can see they're labeled E, and we have two of them. They're 12.5 inches long, 2.5 inches wide, and 3/4 of an inch thick. These top frames are going to be attached to the top. They will define our drawer opening, and we will use them to attach the top of our nightstand at the end of the semester. So to design these top frames, we're going to grab our 3D box option one more time, and we're going to enter our values here to define it in the command line. So looking at our command line, for the first corner, we're going to type in 0 and enter. For our length, we're going to type in 12.5 and enter. And I'm pulling these off of the cutting list. For our width, you can see on our cutting list it's 2.5. Enter. And we're going to give it a height of 0.75 or 3/4 of an inch and enter. You'll see now we have a three-dimensional top frame, and we've created it on the base layer of our model here. So at this point, we're going to select our top frame and we're going to put it into the right place. We're going to do that using the move command. So in my command line, I'm going to type in move and hit enter. I'm going to make sure my end box is checked with my O snap on, and I'm going to snap to the lower left corner. Actually, I'm going to snap to the upper left corner closest to me and click. I'm going to move that, and I'm going to snap into this corner of our nightstand right here. And now I have moved my top frame into the correct place. But you'll notice we have two of these top frames. So we are going to use the copy command to put another one right here. So I'm going to snap to this corner back here and move it back to that corner right there. Begin by selecting your top frame, and in your command line, type in copy and enter. For the point to copy from, we're going to snap to this corner right here. We're going to click, and we're going to snap to the back corner of the inside part of our side and click. And now we will hit enter to end our command. At this point, we have completed our construction of our top frames. Make sure you save your file and move on to the next part.